Cryptocurrencies have had a brutal spring, with drawdowns in May taking assets, including Bitcoin, more than 50% below the all-time highs they reached in 2021. The global crypto market has now shrunk to $1.41 trillion, decreasing by 7.94%. Almost all top 10 crypto prices have come down. Experts say that Bitcoin and other crypto prices are shattering due to a broad sell-off amid extreme fear among investors. Even institutional investors seem to be selling their crypto holdings in bulk, triggering the massive price crash. Crypto investing has never been for the faint of heart, and digital assets are quite volatile, and such fluctuations have happened before. 6 weeks ago, Bitcoin's price was in the $47,000 range. But the token's value is in great deficit this week. The coin's current demise could directly result from Terra's sell-off. Traders may be feeling pressure to sell their Bitcoin assets if they think major investors are wiping their hands off the crypto. Bitcoin price has slid 50% in the last 6 months since its all-time high of $68,000 in November 2021. Today, the crypto coin's price value is sitting at roughly $29,000, just under the $30,000 mark. Bitcoin is trading at its lowest levels since July 2021, which is the weakest in the past 2 years, and the token is taking a big hit since it usually trades for above $40,000 per share. The world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum fell by 23% to $1,841.12. Crypto's price moves can be affected by interest rates, inflation, and other macroeconomic factors that can affect how confident people feel about investing their money in risky alternative assets. With interest rates rising, saving accounts become more attractive, and some people may be even more comfortable putting their money where they can get predictable returns. And when prices fall rapidly, as they did in this week, that can compound the pressure on the market by forcing some investors to free up cash so they can meet other obligations. Another factor that can drive investor pessimism and may lead to crypto crashing is government actions by regulators around the world. So it sure is a massive dip, but whoever held on to crypto for 3 years have never lost money. So short-term investors might feel the heat, but with a 3-year-plus horizon, it will average out the price. In a way, this sort of correction is important because it also brings in some sort of sanity and some expectations that things have been put in place. Over the last 12 months, the expectations were that it is only going to go up. This dip will mature the markets more and ensure that people are aware there will be downtrends as well as uptrends in the sector, and one should invest with a long-term view rather than making a quick buck. While Bitcoin and its peers, in theory, trade independence from mainstream financial markets, they have proved to be largely correlated with stocks, especially tech stocks. The stock market has been under intense pressure this year amid expectations that the Federal Reserve will have to move more aggressively to rein in inflation at a 4-decade high, with the risk being that swiftly rising borrowing costs could prompt a recession. This sort of environment significantly dampens sentiments among risk-sensitive assets like tech stocks and cryptos. The price of Bitcoin, however, could still fall due to the UST situation and worsening technical sentiment. But if the US inflation continues to slow down, the macro environment will likely improve and the price will bottom out. One factor that could provide hope to crypto investors is that big players are starting to join the party. The cryptocurrency sector has at least one development on its horizon that may boost its market. This is Ethereum's planned move to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, something which is penciled in for late summer. The success of this shift could provide the market with just the good news story it's lacking right now, and will provide investors with renewed faith that the sector is moving in the right direction. But until then, it seems like they will have to endure just a little bit more pain. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our next one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.